Hello guys, I'm your SquadNinja partner, and in this video I'm going to reveal one of the top most widely used method by successful digital entrepreneur for generating huge income online. I want you to see this video till the end because I will be disclosing the secret and also giving away hefty bonuses. This method is used by top digital marketers, freelancers and by businesses to increase their revenue. Since these kinds of methods are not shared everywhere and it's hard to find. Even though it's hard to find such information, still most of us are in search of it. Because everybody wants to make extra income for themselves and for their family. Whether it's a 9-to-5 job holder or a father with 2 kids, a stay-home or working mom, or even a college-going guy who is struggling for his pocket money. Everyone wants extra income. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever put your time, money and effort in some great program promising huge income, but later realized it's worthless and got frustrated? Well, many of us been there. When we don't know the correct method and what we are doing, chances of getting the right output is very rare. Wouldn't you agree? A few years back, before I knew about this method, I had tried a couple of make money online stuffs. They were not that cheap either. It had cost me around 3,500 rupees. But after a month, I realized that I was not moving ahead. Well, now I had to buy an automation tool to reach the next step. Not only that, a few weeks later, I was told to buy a package for SEO optimization. Along with that, I had to work for long hours and also try to figure out what will be the sequence of steps I need to put together. In the beginning, it was like a puzzle. After a couple of months, when I sat down to calculate the total amount I had spent, I was shocked. My total purchase had gone up to 40,000 rupees. Looking at this 40,000 rupees deducted from my bank account got me more frustrated because I had not made a single penny till now. Well, the good thing is that I learned the system, figured out what all things are really required as a beginner, and after doing my research, I found similar kinds of tools available on the internet for free. Yes, I had been through a tough time figuring out the missing link. And I am sure there are others too, trying to figure out the same. Finally, I came to know the one secret that is used by digital entrepreneurs every single time. Do you want to know which system is it? It is a simple 3-step automated revenue generating system. Yes, you can learn this system in SquadNinja 101 program. SquadNinja 10 program is the only program which gives you the opportunity to make money while learning. It's the only practical oriented digital marketing training program where we teach you complete digital marketing step by step from the scratch. You will learn on how to design your simple 3-step automated revenue generating system from zero level. This 3-step process comprises of lead generation, autoresponder, and lead conversion to the sales. Before we teach you how to build the steps, you will be learning email marketing, Facebook marketing, and website designing, and much more to help you design your 3-step automated revenue generating system. Not only that, we teach you all these things. We give you mentorship to help you and guide you on the right track. And this is one of the unique features of SquadNinja 101 program. So no need to listen to the gurus, those who make big promises of making huge income. No need to go for other programs who tell you to buy another package and waste your time, money and effort. Luckily, you will get all the required knowledge in this single program. This is the only program which gives you the opportunities to make money while learning. You don't even need to buy expensive tools or softwares to start making money online or work for long hours. or sit down whole day trying to figure out what the missing step is. Yes, we have made it simple for you. We have made it so simple that whether you are a 9 to 5 job holder or a father with 2 kids, a stay-home mom, well, everyone can learn it easily and also get an opportunity to make money online. Not only that, you need not to go to an institute and pay hefty fee to learn digital marketing, as all this learning is going to cost you from 40k to 90k or even more outside this program. But we won't charge you so much because we want a maximum number of people to get benefited by this opportunity. Well, this opportunity comes with a monthly subscription which is lesser than your cost of one-time meal, so that it doesn't become pain for your pockets again. After you enter this program, you will be guided by a team of experts on how to create and implement these 3-step automated revenue generating system with hand-holding experience throughout the journey. You will get weekly free videos, written notes, weekly webinars, and also one-on-one guidance to ensure you are on the right track. Now I think you got a fair idea on how you can build the online system that will help you to make real money every single time. Now I want you to click on start button to start your journey and start making money online. Well, SquadNinja will give you 30 days time to try it out. If you feel it's not your cup of tea, let us know and we will give you full refund with no questions asked. So all you have to do is just click on start button and enroll. You will also get 3 bonuses. 60 days digital marketing course worth rupees 3000, basic copywriting course worth rupees 2000, ebook on 20 ways of making money online worth rupees 250, and last but not the least 12 ebook templates worth 250 for you to get started. Obviously we can't keep this bonus for a long time. These are going to be removed shortly. To make sure that you get this hefty bonus, you need to act now. This bonus is available only for first 100 people and we are about to reach. So without any further delay, click the start button now before the price goes up and bonus get removed. Let's have a look inside and find out what others has to say about the program.
Hi, this is Tanmay Pavaskar. I am a SquadNinja student as well as a co-committee member of a SquadNinja course. So I thought I will share my experience regarding this SquadNinja course with you. I have started this course with Anmitra sir, who is a mentor for this course. And to tell you, this is a 100% practical oriented course where you will get various tasks to do along with your regular courses, and if you do those tasks, you will start learning various things about digital marketing, such as affiliate marketing or doing email marketing, Facebook advertising, and various other things. And not only that, you will also able to earn while learning. So this is a very great opportunity, I think, for the student as well as people who are looking out for some online business or online part-time earning opportunity. So I think this is a great opportunity because this course is launched with monthly subscription that is just 251 rupees per month. So this is very well priced, and compared to its pricing, the value this course is delivering is great. And I think so you can join as soon as possible so you can get a maximum benefit out of it.